We'll guide you through how to fix a Seagate drive not showing up. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my computer. So you've gone and connected your Seagate drive, whether it's one which is internal in your computer or an external one via USB, it doesn't matter. And you've now going and opening up your file explorer and you press this PC to the left. You may need to scroll up or down to go and find it, but you're finding the Seagate drive is not showing up here. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this, as this is an annoying problem because if it isn't showing up here, you then can't go and access it. Perhaps you're using it for the first time or you have gone and used it before and you're running into problems. Don't worry, we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. So let's go and dive straight into this. So what you want to do is you want to go and press the search button at the bottom and type in run, like so. You get this pop up. Now in here, you want to go and type in disk, D-I-S-K, mgmt.msc. Press OK, and this should go and open up. You can always try searching at the bottom here for disk management, but that's how you can get into it as well. Now there are different things you can try doing here, so do listen carefully and don't skip anything. So first of all, you want to go and scroll down this bottom half here, and you want to make sure that the space has been allocated. So this is my Seagate drive here because this space has been unallocated at the moment, so we can go and allocate it. I'll guide you through that. If it is already been allocated though, and by the way, you can identify it by looking at the left here by the storage. If you're finding that it has been allocated, we should try going and checking the drive letter. So right click on the space, you can press change drive letter and paths. If it hasn't currently got one, you can add it. What I'm going to do here is going and remove this one, but you can also try changing it in case there's some type of conflict. So let's go and say I wanted to add one. I'll press change drive letter and paths and press add. Then you can go and choose a letter. I usually go and choose quite a rogue one. Then we can go and press OK. And sometimes going and doing that will then make it appear. Hopefully it does. Now, alternatively, if you're trying to go and allocate the storage, you need to go and right click on unallocated and press new simple volume and you'll get a pop-up. Press next. Just go and leave the space as it is. Press next. And you can then go and choose a drive letter and press next. Now you can format this volume with the following settings. I like to go and use exFAT. I find that to be most compatible. For the allocation size, I keep that as default, and for volume label, I just keep that as it is, and we can perform a quick format. Press next and press finish and go and wait, and the space now should go and be allocated like that. So now just to go and show you, if we go and open up File Explorer, we can scroll down and press this PC, you can then go and see the Seagate drive is now appearing here. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you again. Goodbye for now.